Hey everyone, Dylan here from Diamond Spotlight, and today we get to do a really exciting unboxing and visual review of this absolutely stunning Bella Vaughan engagement ring from Blue Nile. Now, this particular ring that you're looking at here costs $26,299. Of that price, $9,000 of that is for the Bella Vaughan setting itself, and that setting has a total carat weight of 1.10 carats. And then the center diamond that we're seeing here, this is a GIA graded diamond, 2.13 carat natural earth diamond, and it has a J color grade, a VS2 clarity grade, and the cut grade is very good. Now, I'll put a link to this specific Bella Vaughan setting down in the video description on Blue Nile's website, but Blue Nile also has a ton of other different Bella Vaughan offerings on there, so I'll have a link to that as well if you want to look through the entire collection. Now, jumping over to the unboxing, I want to show you guys everything that comes in the box, and this is my first unboxing from Blue Nile, so I'm quite excited to see the packaging and the overall presentation. Opening the top lid, you can see that nice white Blue Nile sleeve there with the beautiful Blue Nile box. I really like the color palette that they used for their packaging, and you can see that when we pull off the sleeve there, you have a nice textured Blue Nile box with the folding doors there that open up to reveal the ring front and center. Now, there is a little bit of documentation underneath that ring tray, but as always, we get straight to the point on this channel, so let's go ahead and take a look at the ring itself. And you can see that this Bella Vaughan setting with that large natural earth diamond looks absolutely stunning. I mean, I wish I could show you guys this in person and you could really see it in person, but that's why I make these videos, to try to capture the overall look of these rings so you guys can really get an idea of what they would look like in real life. But this thing is just unbelievable. If you look at it, it really has the design of a flower. It's very beautiful and very unique. I've never seen a halo setting executed as well as this. I mean, this is next level, and definitely you can see the craftsmanship in this setting is unbelievable. I went ahead and recorded a clip of my wife wearing this ring outdoors. Her finger is a size 5.5, so this should give you a good idea of what this ring would actually look like on your hand. She's a size 5.5, and the overall profile is great. I mean, this ring looks absolutely massive. Such a grand and just beautiful presentation. I really like it. So if you guys want to check out this specific Bella Vaughan setting, like I said, I will have it linked down in the video description, and I'll also just have a link to Blue Nile's site if you want to browse some of their other engagement ring settings and the other Bella Vaughan offerings on there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments below. And as always, if it helped you out, all that we ask is you smash that like button down below. If you guys want to check out more Blue Nile unboxings, I already have a few recorded that are going to be posted after this video, so be sure to check out my channel and you can see some more offerings from Blue Nile as well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.